My name is Carl DiFilippo, and I'm the founder and CEO of CTD Holdings Corporation, where we specialize in residential rental properties. We're currently based in New York City, Buffalo, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and Detroit, Michigan. Right now, our company is focused on these three major goals. Our first goal is growth. We're committed to growing the company, expanding. This is the goal that keeps us up at night. We're constantly thinking about the next acquisition, the next project, the next rehab, and we're definitely looking to take a larger piece of Detroit, get more involved here, purchase more properties in the Detroit area. Our second goal we're committed to is enhancement of our properties, enhancement of our current portfolio. We're always looking for new innovative ways to improve our properties, make them better. Whether it's the first property we bought or the most recent purchase, we're always looking for ways to improve the properties. And lastly, our third goal, and probably one of the most important goals, is partnerships. We're looking to get into solid quality partnerships with our clients. We don't look at ourselves as landlords and our tenants as simply renters. We're partners in this venture, and we want to deliver a good product to our clients, and we want to basically make our house into their home.